Guys, it's about to rain today. Right now I'm at my Nana's and big storm cloud coming in. It started from little dots and I'll show you. It started from little dots and now it's starting to grow big. And it ain't raining right now when it said it was, but big cloud, it looks like it's growing. So right now I'm just saying this is gonna be a video where it rains.
Sorry for
but still, can you guys please just leave subscribe to the channel, guys, and cut the monster in the face. Please, everybody, smash the like button. Subscribe to my channel if you're new, because you are about to witness something.
Quickly, Brody.
I think I'm gonna leave.
No.
I think I'm gonna leave my Nana's. I think I'm going to leave my Nana's real quick. So yeah, I got to go, and I'll tell you when I'm in the car leaving and see if it's raining or I'm outside and it's raining.
Alright guys, it ain't raining yet. But this is the weather update. Looking bad, huh? That's actually, see how it just went from little to growing very big? It's growing huge, bro. We're definitely gonna get hit, by the way. We're definitely gonna get hit.
Or a short O sound.
It says we're raining right now, but I don't think we're raining right now. And the red means it's heavy rain. Green means it's like sprinkles. And yellow means it's kind of heavy rain. And blue means nothing. It just means basically it's probably gonna grow.
O is between two consonants.
So right now we're on green, so I don't think it's sprinkling though. But yeah, that's good. Oh wow, guys.
So it's probably a
Look
short
at
O
that,
sound.
guys. We're gonna get like kind of heavy rain. First start, it's gonna be a little light, and the second one's gonna be very not light. Oh, well, I'll get you when it's actually raining. Peace.
I think it's starting to sprinkle. It is so windy though, bro. It is windy.
It ain't our cat, so
Yeah.
it's a damn crash. I'll get you when it starts actually raining. So yeah, I'll get back to you when it's actually calmed down or getting higher. Wait. I feel a lot of sprinkles getting on the screen.
Okay, guys, hear that?
Showed you. Oh, it's now starting to sprinkle when I said it wasn't earlier.
So I'm gonna show you back when it starts raining harder.
Alright, I'm outside, but another news update. It was at like something 20 last time, but now, it's getting big and bigger. It's connecting, so I bet we're gonna get a lot of rain. Lots of rain. I just heard thunder. This is about to get intense.
Some hard
Peace.
flashes now.
445 one? No, the 40 one. And all those clips.
Ooh, I'm telling some more drops. Guys, heard thunder. What on my screen? Get your hand on.
Sorry about that.
Guys, it's big drops. Okay, I'm just gonna go sit back on my chair. Perfect timing. It was just sprinkling all around. I get you when it goes faster.
Reviewers.
Look at it.
go right here. I'm gonna get foil, right? Yep, the screen's already getting messed up. Place the sun. Alright, guys, I'm gonna
Get
cut
off.
the screen off. I'll tell you when it gets even faster. I don't know why I said get to you when it goes faster. And just slow down. Roads are getting wet. Look at that. Right in there. Ooh, there, guys. Ooh. This is where it's gonna go. This is the storm. This is all it's gonna go right over there. So, I think it's kind of stopped now. Alright. I'll get to you when it starts raining like that again. Weather update, but this is what it sounds like. And now I'm about to turn in weather rate. 3, 2, 1, 8. This is the weather update. It's right now about to rain hard, so yeah, weather update, and I'll be right back. Guys. First in the windows, this is how you tell. See? Oh my god. Look out here. I'm getting soaked. Guys, it's getting fun. I'll tell you when it starts raining harder. Except it's actually raining way harder. Show you about the focus. This big storm cloud is way over there now. And that's it. We're on it. Whew. I'll get when it's now weakening, but I'll get to you when it starts raining harder. It's actually raining way harder to see. But I feel like it's going to stop. I don't know, but oh, split. Oh, guys, it's raining hard. Guys, look at that road down there. Guys. It's raining so hard. Guys, that's the hardest I thought. Alright, oh my god. I just started recording and I didn't know it was going to get this hard, but it got that hard. Dude, we only hit the orange. I know we're at the yellow. Okay guys, my mom's here, so I'll probably save you when it's not raining. And now it's being windy. And my mom's right there. Oh my god. This is actually getting insane. I'll tell you when it gets way harder than this, like way harder when we hit the red. Right now we're only in yellow, and I don't know what's happening. Mom, do you want me to blur your face?
I want you to go get on your Chromebook and do your work.
Yeah, guys, I haven't done my work right now. But I'll tell you when it gets harder. Okay, I was about to leave, and now look. I'm gonna go check where we're at, where I'm red or not. I'll give you an update though, alright? I tried the house, but it's raining pretty hard. Oh my god. Jesus, alright. Okay guys, about to hit 3:05 and I'm about to tap it and restart it so we can see the timer. So it's gonna show you 3:05. That's when it updates at 3:05. Cause it was at 3:55 when I checked it, and it's actually 3:05. Clear it out. This is what it's called. And this is what it looks like. It just did it. Watch it. Oh no. I think the internet's being bad. Why did the internet have to do that? Guys, sorry you guys couldn't see it. Oh my god, it's getting good too. I would start it one time, guys. Sorry. Come on. God. I think the internet sucks. I think because it's raining, the internet's bad. So sorry that you guys can't see it. Oh, let's go. You guys just saw it, right?
Well, the internet's bad.
Look at this, guys. Look at this, guys. Mm. Mm. Oh, see how much rain we got left? Like, I don't know if that's it. I think it is, though. Guys, if it stops, I guess this is gonna be the final goodbye, like, of the video. Like, guys, see you later. But if it does start going, I'm gonna record my camera and record what's happening. See the radar? I'll record the radar and go back out there and record. So if this is probably, I don't know, it probably will be, but this is probably gonna be the end of the video. Like I already told you, I'll go look at the radar a lot of times, but if I see that it's getting away from us, I'm gonna end it. All right. So yes, see you guys later. Maybe bye, maybe not.